Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to share a secret with you all on how to get those luscious, shiny locks naturally. Yep, you heard me right. No fancy treatments or expensive products required. Just pure natural goodness. So, let's dive right into it. 4 tips for get strong, healthy, and long hair. Naturally. First things first, hydration is key, folks. And I'm not just talking about guzzling down water, though that's important too. I'm talking about giving your hair a little drink too. Yep, that's right. Hydrating your hair from the inside out. How? Well, it's as simple as incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins into your diet. Think salmon, avocados, nuts, and seeds. These goodies not only nourish your body, but work wonders for your hair too. Next up, let's talk about the power of natural oils. Say goodbye to those chemical-laden hair products and hello to the wonders of coconut oil, argan oil, and jojoba oil. These babies are packed with nutrients that strengthen your hair, leaving it shiny and oh so smooth. Just a little dab will do ya. Now, onto everyone's favorite part, DIY hair masks. Who needs a pricey salon treatment when you can whip up a hair mask right in your own kitchen? One of my personal faves is the avocado and honey mask. Simply mash up a ripe avocado, mix in a tablespoon of honey, and voila. You've got yourself a super moisturizing mask that'll leave your hair feeling like silk. And last but certainly not least, let's not forget about the importance of a good old-fashioned scalp massage. Not only does it feel amazing, but it also stimulates blood flow to your scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. So, next time you're chilling on the couch, give yourself a little scalp massage. Your hair will thank you for it. And that's a wrap, folks. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below sharing your favorite hair care secret, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.